Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up a WordPress plugin inside of your website. So first of all guys, what we need to do is go to our website and open our dashboard. So let's go ahead and open our dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. So I'm going to do this, and here it is. Now before this page will open, some of you will ask if you didn't have an account, you have to create an account and then this page will have to open. So now what we need to do is drag a plugin. So how we can do it is go to this menu in here on left of your screen and then click on plugins. From plugins, you can click on add new from here or just click it from here. Now, right after you finish this step, you can search for any plugin existing in your website that you want. For example, here is Elementor, which is a really cool plugin for your website starters that they don't know how to actually code or stuff like that. This Elementor plugin really helps. What can I give you as a suggestion? There is all-in-one plugin. This is a plugin that can save a lot of your database and save it on your PC. There is also some WordPress plugins that are essential for your website. So for example, here's the SEO optimizer, here's the contact form, which is really important. What else? Anyway, you can find here Ninja Forms. You can find here any kind of plugin that you might need for your website. So how you can make, for example, install something. So you can go just for example this plugin, you can click on install now and we'll wait a little bit. As I said before, it doesn't take a lot of time. It will take maximum 1 minute. It didn't even take 10 seconds. So now we click on activate and you will be ready to go. So here is the page. Now you can create your first form. As you can see, let's go, and you can choose whatever form you want and we'll start doing it, and you can publish it on your website as well. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.